Our custom welding equipment is tailored to your product features, welding standards, and workshop layout, ideal for complex tasks involving special shaped parts, thin-walled components, and dense welds. Featuring full automatic operation, it integrates loading, welding, positioning, and inspection, greatly reducing manual work. Built with intelligent vision tracking, adaptive parameters, and fault warning systems, the whole process is digitally controlled to ensure stable welding quality and flexible production efficiency. Our customized intelligent welding solutions upgrade your overall manufacturing strengths. They stabilize product quality, improve productivity, and strengthen your market competitiveness.